during every process, the whole body, this region, so much goes on. That is what. No, it can be given any title, but something is going on. How many of you feel that? Good number, good. It is actually good. You don't have to worry about it. Even the feeling suffocation, lot of stress and everything, you will suppress it and keep it inside. Fear, powerlessness, all that. You understand? Now all that getting out of the system. Stress. Shoulder pain is nothing but the feeling whole life is too much responsibility. It is not just arms, If you feel life is too heavy responsibility, that pattern gets recorded in shoulder only. Not now. Even if you are regularly going to office, morning 9 o'clock go and sit in the office. By 10 o'clock you would have taken some 25 days. Nothing more than 25 days. In 1 hour you will have shoulder pain. How many of you experienced it? In 1 hour if you take 25 decisions, you will have shoulder pain. Because that stress of decision making and life is heavy is recorded in shoulder only. That pattern is recorded in shoulder. Migraine. Migraine is usually unable to even handle one thought current. Yes.
Swamiji, what about knee pain? What that represents?
Feeling that you are too much, I can say that even you are not clear about how your patterns and habits and desires, choices will be in the future. So feeling that you yourself are heavy for you. Actually, I am doing this work of translating that same book. It's going on. Very soon you guys will find I have given an elaborate equivalent of modern day diseases, and I have also given even some of the, each one of these thought currents reduces the certain prana, which directly reduces that vital organ's action.
So you say that incompletions cause pain patterns. So how about if you get into like an auto accident? Is that
Auto
part
accident?
of pain patterns? Is that like an incompletion?
No, actually, accident itself, I may not attribute it to any pain pattern and all that. The after response, that I will attribute it to the pain patterns you carry.
Okay.
Did you get initiated in the Nadapanta? No. That big hole is, there is a tradition in India, a yogi tradition, they will have this big hole in the ears. Okay. And how come that both symbols are matching? That moon you have, they will have one moon, you are having three, that moon, but they will not have here, they will have here. The moon and this, that's why I was thinking that you are initiated in the tradition. Okay. Did any of your friends suggest this too? Okay. Then that friend is initiated in Nata Parambara. Because these two are closely associated to same sampradaya, same tradition. This big hole and this moon tattoo. Not here, they will actually have here. These two are associated to followers of Shiva. There is one tradition of followers of Shiva. They are called Nata Sampradaya. They are popular in Kashi and Madhya Pradesh. That Sampradaya has this. That's what, Nata Sampradaya. Maharashtra also has it. Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra is actually same zone. Marathi, same zone. They will wear the big thing. How many of you guys have seen it? It's actually made out of one bone. One bone, this bone. This bone they will drill and put it. This hip bone. The big bone is there. Na? So out of that they will make the ring kind, and put the hole and lock it. They are the Nata yogis, Nata Panta, Nata Sampradaya. In Karnataka there is a mutt called Chunchanagiri mutt. They belong to the Nata Sampradaya. But those Swamis don't wear this. But they belong to the same Sampradaya. That's why I'm surprised. Both symbol how come from same Sampradaya?
Swamiji, how about tailbone pain? Coccyx.
That is related to feeling enough physical love is not given. Whether mother not giving the traditional way of breastfeeding, or after growing up feeling not attended by the spouse, those kind of I don't want to use the word sexual suppression. I can say that feeling insufficient about the physical touch or the physical love. In India we pronounce the letters in, see, especially the language, my mother tongue, writing and speaking will be same. There is no two different. When you write, you can just read. When for reading, you don't need a special other any input. See, in English, you can read the cat as sat and cat both. In Tamil, that problem doesn't exist. So, for Tamilians, it is always little, you need to catch up with the other languages. I can say in all Indian languages, as you said, I know only one or two. So, Bengali also, as you said, it's same. Bengali same, Devanagari script same. That's what Devanagari script is a script for around 70 languages. Devanagari is the script. Hindi, Sanskrit, for 70 language, Devanagari we use as a script. There are even Gujarati in some zone they didn't use Devanagari script. No. See, now the Gujarati letters are little developed from Devanagari, but some zones in Gujarat they were using Devanagari script for quite a long time for Gujarati, because some of the palm leaves I got. Language is Gujarati, script is Devanagari.
Swamiji, kitchen side.
Yes.
Swamiji, you were just telling him that the tailbone pain is because of lack of physical, insufficient physical love. So will constipation and piles be the same cause?
No. Constipation is unable to digest the ovaries. Confusion.
Okay.
See, in our website that 100 kriyas are there, 108 kriyas. In that I have just given 2-line, 3-line introduction. Read. Now I am giving an elaborate original verse from Gheranda Samhita and Hatha Yoga Pratipika and connecting with the modern day diseases. But if you pick up and read this, you will have a rough idea, the initial level idea. There is a book called Gheranda Samhita and Kumbhaka Bhatati and Hatha Yoga Pratipika. All these books talk elaborately about the disease and mental pattern and connection between them. Now we are translating the whole thing into English. It's going on.